And now, WWE presents SummerSlam.
The Miz is deliberately trying to get under the skin of the game.
Well, he can try, but there's no way that's going to work. Remember, Triple H isn't just a game, he's also the cerebral assassin.
But is he still the King of Kings? And the wait is finally over. Triple H, Randy Orton, The Miz, and the WWE Champion Edge. They've been champions, general managers, allies, and enemies. But King, throughout all this, there was really just one question. Who's the best?
And tonight, we find out exactly who that man is.
I don't even think we have to ask. It's The Miz.
Even with that entrance, I'm not entirely sure I'd agree. Oh!
In the corner here, bad spot to be in. What are we going to see here? Dangerous impact to the neck. Time and again, Edge has shown that he's capable of doing anything to win a match.
Uh-oh.
Trying to put him away. Again, King, there's going to be no question who the winner of this match is. You can't win with a count out or a quick roll-up. You're going to have to physically destroy your opponents so they can't get up before the count of 10.
And really, with these four guys, that's the only way to do this. Otherwise, Edge and Miz might figure some loophole. Then again, they might anyway.
Pedigree, he got it. The game got the pedigree.
The game's got him.
Impact from the knee. The Viper squeezing down on the head. Edge showing the wherewithal to reverse it.
Watch out here.
Randy Orton, so cagey, so crafty.
Uh-oh, this is bad. Triple H looking for some big impact.
Edge.
Edge is on Green Street.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here. Wait a minute.
Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination. Here we go with the count. He's got 10 seconds to get back up.
Uh-oh. Look at the Viper's eyes.
Triple H escapes. Spine buster. The game comes up with a huge counter.
Where's Triple H going?
Oh no, King, you don't think. Oh, Orton's skull driven face first into the concrete floor.
Oh, he has got to be out.
After all the weeks and months of conflict, Triple H may have just eliminated Randy Orton from this last man standing match.
9, 10, he's out.
and he put everything he had behind that Irish whip.
Oh, what a landing! Out of the ring! Now what's gonna happen?
And he goes for the neck breaker.
A ferocious clothesline! Just devastating!
Straight right by Triple H.
Oh man! Down on the metal!
He drops the elbow. And he does it one more time.
Ah! Smart thinking by Edge.
Edge has the arm. Good in-ring presence shown by the game. Vintage Triple H.
Watch this!
And now, looking to put him away. Face first, pedigree from the game.
Uh-oh, the game's in trouble! Oh my gosh! Did you see the spark?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it.
Edge has been eliminated. It's just Triple H and The Miz. One will be WWE Champion. DX chop.
Hey,
Triple H.
oh, the game plants his opponent.
But look at this. He may be.
Whoa!
He's measuring. Oh, what a pedigree. And now he gets a bit of a reprieve as the official once more begins to count.
Well, the official...
The game's got Miz and figure four. Triple H has him in the figure four.
He's gonna turn it!
No, Triple H blocks it.
He's tapping! The Miz is tapping! That's it!
That's not it. Submissions do not count in this match. There is no escape route for The Miz. It's the Misfits, and there's not a thing the referee can do to stop this.
Is laid out up there by the throne, watching as his Misfits go after the game.
But look at the fight in the game. He knows these jackals are the only things keeping him from becoming a record 17-time world champion. Oh, good Lord, Kane caught him. And there's a hellacious chokes. It's the Misfits, and there's not a thing the referee can do to stop this. pedigree from the game.
Triple H will not be denied tonight.
He's done it his whole life. Tonight's no different. Tonight, Triple H is proving to the world who is truly the King of Kings.
Miz is laid out up there by the throne, watching as his misfits go after the game.
But look at the fight in the game. He knows these jackals are the only things keeping him from becoming a record 17-time world champion.
Not this.
He's looking at it again. Pedigree. Triple H hits it one more time.
Watch this.
And now, looking to put him away. Pedigree, he got it. The game got the pedigree. Watch it. Watch it.
That's it. He's done.
Please, no! Triple H, you want this match? Fine, I quit. Do you hear that, everybody? I quit!
Remember what I said on Friday? There is no escape tonight, Miz.
You thought you could beat me? You thought you could stop the Miz? I'm the new King of Kings. Because I'm the Miz. And I'm...
That's it. Ring the bell.
That's it. Triple H has broken the record.
17 times a world champion. That's incredible.
Triple H is once again the King of Kings.
I'm a 17-time world champion. Thank you, everybody. Now listen, I told you Friday that this would all come to an end. Well, I'm afraid it's not what you think. You see, I've accomplished everything I ever wanted in the WWE and more. If you'd asked me 15 years ago if I'd have thought I'd be here right now, well, I probably would have said yes, because I'm a cocky son of a gun. But listen, this was amazing. I want to thank you all for being a part of tonight, because this was my last match. I just have nothing left to prove. I have nothing left to give other than my profound thanks.
Did we just see what I think we saw?
This is the end of an era, King. Who's going to fill the void left behind? The stage is set. This match will determine the winner of NXT.
Rey Mysterio and the rest of the pros getting a final glimpse at these rookies before this important match.
The WWE Universe...